Hi, second class. Yeah. Before going to start the topic, I'm asking you one question. Okay? How can we open and close the door, children? Yeah. Once, see in your room, you have one door. Yes or no, children? Go near the door. Yes. Did you go? Yeah. Now open the door. If it is closed, all members close the door first. Yeah. Now open the door. How you opened it? Okay. And again close the door. How you closed the door? Yes, children? Yes. When we open a door, we pull it. Yes or no? What we have done here? When you opening the door, you are pulling it closer to you. Your hands are close to you. Yes, children? And when you close a door, now close the door, you pushing it away from you. Yes or no? Yes. When you are opening the door, you are pulling it closer to you. And when you are closing the door, your hands are moving away from you. Yes or no, children? So, here nothing but open and close are nothing but pull and push. Okay, children? They are pull and push. Now, I will show you one picture. You will get one clarity about it. Okay? See here. Now, come to your place and sit and see here. Yeah. See. Pull and push. Pull is you are opening the door. See that boy is opening the door. And see the next picture. He is closing it. Means pushing. Okay. Now you have book in your hand. Okay. You push it. How you will push? Yeah, you are pushing with your hands away from you. This is pushing. Yes. And now pull it. Pull it means you are moving near your body. So children, pull is open and push is closed. Okay. Now tell me what the topic we are going to discuss today, children. Yes, about pull and push. So children, today we will learn about push and pull in this class. Okay children, and we will move the things and think about how we move the things in this chapter. Yes children? Yes. Tell me, how will you move the things? Children, tell me, how will you move things? Yes, how we will move, children? By push or by pull. Open the door means pull. Close the door, push. Yes, if you have pencil with you, keep it on the bench and try to do pull and push. Yes, if you push, it will move away from you. If you pull means if you are taking it to your hands, it is near to your body. Yes children? Yeah. Again once see this picture, I will show you again once more. So opening of the door is pull. Okay, closing of the door is push. Okay, what happens when we push and pull the things, children? What happens when we pull or push the things? Anything happens here? Yeah, see here, if you push, the thing is moving away from you. And when you are pulling, see that boy, he is pulling towards himself. Yes? So what happens here? When we push, it moves away. And when we pull, it brings the thing closer to us. Okay? Once again, I will show you some examples with the pictures. You can see here clarity. Okay? Yes. In this picture, what action is doing here? Pull or push, children? Yes. A push moves something away. So, it is moving away from that man. Yes. Then, what is it? It is a push. Okay. How do they move? They are moving with their hands. Yes or no, children? Now, we can see about pull. Okay, see this picture. How it look like? Pull or push? He is pulling. Why? Because the thing is moving towards him. Yes or no? Not away from him. The railway also move, that boy also moving towards that man. Yes or no? So, a pull brings it closer. Yes, children? Yeah. Now my question is, why don't things move if we do not push or pull? If there is a thing, okay, one bottle is on your bench, why it won't move if we not push or pull? Why it don't move, children? Yes, it won't move because things move when we push or pull. Without us, it cannot move its own. Yes or no, children? A thing at rest will not move till it is pushed or pulled. Understood, children? Yes. Now tell me, how can you show push and pull in your drawing? Once take your pencil, eraser and one book or paper. Now try to draw push or pull. How you can show me? Yes, you can show it by using the arrows. See here this picture, you can show with arrows as pull and push. Okay, one arrow showed where we push or pull, and the other arrow shows the place where the things move. If you push, the things move away. If you pull, the things comes near to us. Yes or no, children? When we pushed, both arrows points away from the person. Okay, points away from the person. Now see this question. Do you push or pull when you tear a paper? Take one paper into your hands, children. Yes. Now you tear it. Did you tear? Yeah. Now tell me what you have done. Pull or push? If your answer is push, why do you think so? If your answer is pull, why do you think so? And draw it and show using arrows. Your parents, show to your parents. Yeah. See here we took one paper and we are tearing it into two parts. See, one hand coming towards your body and one hand moves away from your body. Means what the meaning? The hand which comes towards your body means that is pulling, and one hand moving away from your body, that is pushing. So see the arrows, one is pulling and one is pushing. So we can tear the paper by both actions, that is push or pull. Sorry, push and pull, not or. Okay, both actions we can see here. So tearing of paper use both push and pull. Okay, children, with one hand we are drawing the paper towards us, and at the same time we are using the other hand to push away. Children, take your textbook, page number 130, push and pull. We push and pull things when we want to move them. Yes or no? If we want to move them, then only we will pull or push it. Okay? When we are playing with a yo-yo, we push it down and pull it up. When we move something away from us, it is called a push. See the picture, he is pushing the thing away from his body. Yes, that's all, it is a push. If we move something closer to us, it is called a pull. If something is resting, it needs us to push or pull to move. A push or a pull can even stop moving things. Open your volume. Page number 25, write the date. Push or pull. Is this a push or a pull? Yeah. You write here. You have A, B, C, D. You write the answers whether they are push or pull. See the second question. Draw a picture to show how a box will be moved. Use arrows to show if it is being pushed or pulled. Okay, the box should be moved. The meaning of the question is, draw a picture to show how a box will be moved. So you should draw one box and how it will move from one place to another. What we should do? We should push or pull. So by keeping push and pull, you keep the arrow marks. Okay children.